A pilot must learn how to interpret and use flight instruments in order to fly any aircraft safely. The pilot must also be able to identify faults and malfunctions in these devices. The pilot static system and its accompanying instruments, the vacuum system and its associated instruments like gyroscopic instruments and the magnetic compass are all covered under flight instruments. A pilot may safely use the instruments to their maximum capacity if he or she understands how each instrument works and recognize when one is malfunctioning. What about?
Flight instruments are essential for safe flight operations, and it is also important for pilots to have a basic understanding of their operations. The basic flight instruments required to operate under Visual Flight Rules, VFR, an airspeed indicator, ASI, an altimeter, and a magnetic direction indicator.
Flight instruments are the instruments found in the cockpit, or also known as flight deck, that gives information to the pilots of the aircraft's flight attitude. Examples are the altimeter, the airspeed, the indicator visual flight rules, and the heading indicator, the attitude indicator, the turn coordinator, and the vertical speed indicator. They improve safety by allowing the pilot to fly the aircraft in level flight and make turns without a reference outside the aircraft, such as the horizon. Flight into instrument meteorological conditions, or IMC in short, require radio navigation instruments for precise takeoffs and landings. These instruments is used to communicate to the control tower to know when to landing and when to take off. It is also known navigational communication equipment. An electronic flight instrument system is a flight instrument display system in an aircraft cockpit that displays flight data electronically rather than electromechanically. Most of the modern aircrafts uses electronic flight instruments that uses computerized sensors.